Hi, hi, boys and girls. We are back again with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday, December the 9th, 2020. The third Sudoku is a binary Sudoku in this edition, and this will be number 1994. Yes. Alright, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. A double O, here one, there one. A double one, here no, there no. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O here. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here no, and there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. 3. Let me see. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Need to compare. Oh, 10. Double O. Yeah. This and that one. 1 empty box. 1 1 O 1 1 O empty box. 1 1. Yes. We need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Alright. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Do we need to... Yeah. The first row and the last row. O empty box. Empty box O 1 1 O 1 1 1 1. We need these 2 digits, and we switch those digits. So we have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, one, there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, one, there, one. Between two ones comes an O. We have here four O's, so the rest are ones. We have here four O's, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes an one. Finish in 5 minutes. All right. Great. By the way, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars. Prepare for the 4 stars. Yes. See you later. Bye bye for now.